hearty welcome to our Docusnap video tutorials, in this case about the CSV import for the physical infrastructure, visualization and documentation. Around the importing of CSV files, we improved a lot of stuff from your feedback that is very dear to us. We found out that lots of people are already having like Excel or tables that are containing information on the physical IT infrastructure, which is why we improved the import wizard. Let's check it out. You are able to import data and cable connections using the CSV button over here and clicking Import Data, where you are able to select a CSV file in the correct type, and the correct tables are named here, where you can find the depiction of cabling and the naming of the several tables. So check out this how-to. And you are also able to actually use the site structure now to import hierarchical information. And I will show you that on my desktop, where I've got a CSV already prepared. And here, as you can see, I'm importing the city of Kreuzberg, and it's containing two buildings that you might find after lunch, rather. And these are highlighted in green because they're new, and by clicking the Save button, you are persisting the data. And how's the data looking? In order to import that, let's check it out on a CSV file here. You will find the site, type, and parent naming conventions. And if you leave parent free, basically, you are telling Docusnap that this is the very top of the line. We are stoked to have you around, and actually don't hesitate to reach out to us by calling, actually checking out Facebook, checking out our board. We're looking forward to hearing from you, so don't hesitate to reach out. Thanks so much, and Docusnap, we understand IT.